Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys today. Got this big box from DHL, and if we look up here, it says it's from Original Japan, which is also known as Original Stitch. If you don't know what they are, they do a lot of anime themed printed clothing. So they'll do One Piece, they have Pokemon, and I think they're working on some other stuff too. But let's open up and see what's inside. So here's the box that the shirts come in. The box that it shipped in, that brown box, actually had some really well done tape work, which is really surprising, but also not surprising at the same time. My observance of the Japanese work culture is that they take the time to do everything right, and it looks like they're going to with this. So here is the box presented by Original Stitch, and you see there's a little Pikachu with a shirt on there. So this is the first shirt that I ordered. I believe this should be a long sleeve, and as you can see, there's little Dragonites in there, and I believe that's a Master Ball, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. So here you can see the bag says Pokemon shirts by Original Stitch. Oh no, this is actually the Hawaiian t-shirt. So yeah, Hawaiian t-shirt is this one. And then down here below, I believe this is my dress shirt that I ordered. This is a Ditto. So if you can see right there, there's a little Ditto, and then there's the Ditto copy of a Pikachu, looks like a Bulbasaur and a Squirtle, and here you can see there's an Eevee. And this one just has regular Pokeball buttons. So here they are out of the packaging. The material feels pretty like soft, but also durable. You can buy these and put your own shirt measurements in, but I just kind of went with a general medium because that's what looked like it fitted for me. And then here is the Ditto long sleeve. This is more for work purposes, and this is more for fun. I ended up getting these because we're probably returning to the office pretty soon. So if that's the case, I wanted to have a fun shirt, but also casual, but also professional enough where I can just break it into the office. And this one's just more so for fun. But here's the unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. So just for some transparency, I just looked at the bill. The total for both of these shirts shipped from Japan to the East Coast was $258. Some of you guys might be saying, wow, that's a lot for two shirts. However, they have a nice control in the market right now because I don't really see anyone else providing such interesting shirts and at this quality. So again, that was $258. It all just depends on what's your opportunity cost, on what you're willing to pay for something. But I saw these and I've been waiting to get them for a really long time, and I finally pulled the trigger. Happy that I did. But yeah, please comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you'd like to see next, and stay safe, y'all.